Congress party continues to remain in that same line of defense where it refuses to side with the government or with our forces?
These repeated irresponsible statements by Rahul Gandhi has put the entire country to shame. And I think Rahul Gandhi does not even realize the responsibility that he has as a citizen of the country. He's traitor Gandhi for every Indian, and he continues to demoralize the Indian army, which is very unfortunate.
What do you have to say on the latest bit of the tweet that he has done? Because he has accused the Prime Minister of being silent. He has accused the Prime Minister of sleeping, being fast asleep when the LSE standoff happened. Now he is calling him Surrender Modi.
He is traitor Gandhi. That is why he should be called traitor Gandhi. He wants to strengthen China and weaken India. But the resolve of the government and the Indian army is very firm. And we have rightfully shown China its place. We are proud of the martyrs who laid down their life for a cause. And Rahul Gandhi, for sure, cannot understand the supreme sacrifice made by the soldiers of our country.
All right, Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP, thank you very much for joining in. So the first BJP reaction also that we are playing out here on Republic when Rahul Gandhi's latest tweet and in the line of attack continues to be the Prime Minister and the Indian government and also our forces, which he continues to question time and again. India's action at the LSE once again being questioned by Rahul Gandhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, BJP MP, is with us on the phone line. Meenakshi ji, another round of attack coming across from Rahul Gandhi's side, now calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a Surrender Modi.
Yeah, I'm really surprised. What do you do with a 50-year-old man who, at a time like this, when country is going through pandemic and there are enemies at the LAC, he tends to support and he's dividing the country and the opinions. And I had earlier also used a phrase called political liology, and that's what Congress seems to be expert at, telling lies all the time, flagging issues which are non-issues, creating misunderstanding. Who are they supporting? I mean, first they surrendered in 62. They are the ones. The Khandan is a surrender Khandan to Chinese. Hello?
Yes, because they get quoted. I mean, they are Indians and pretty much they have a right to raise their questions, but they get quoted. When it comes to the Pakistan face-off, when it comes to China face-off, what does it actually see and witness how and where the opposition is standing at? Majority of those parties in the all-party meeting, Meenakshi Lekhi ji, were with the government, were with our forces, except the Congress party.
Absolutely. My point is that the gentleman just turned 50, I mean half a century. A grown-up man behaves in such imbecile manner is not something to be proud of for a person who claims to be a leader in this country. And I remember at Dokulam when they were having meetings with the Chinese ambassador, they are the ones who, in post-1962 to 1984, India shared no relationship worth its matter with the China, but it was his mother, along with the father, meeting the Chinese in Thailand to give most favored nation status to them. And throughout, there's a history. There is a history of Chinese intrusion, and there's a history how Congress did whatever they did under the leadership of Mrs. Gandhi. And at a point like this, at a time like this, when the whole country needs to rally behind our armed forces, our leadership, the Prime Minister, not in the capacity of a BJP leader, but as Prime Minister of this country, they're trying to create confusion and doubts and the suspicion in the minds of people of India and outside. The burst which I can think of is that the Chinese sides, and it just shows how the alignment is. Chinese side actually shut down Prime Minister Modi's handles and things on their side and have only allowed Rahul Gandhi. It shows the proximity. And how when
Meenakshi Lekhi ji, thank you, ma'am. And sir, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या समझना नहीं चाहते राहुल गांधी?
उनकी समझ है ही नहीं ना, वो 50 साल के अभी एडोलसेंट हैं, उनको समझ आ ही नहीं सकता। असल में उनको तो जो स्पून फीड किया किया जाएगा चाइना या पाकिस्तान से, वो बोल लेंगे। वो भूल के अस्केचन से लेकर लाकीनूला तक कांग्रेस के राज में कितना किलोमीटर, कितने हजार किलोमीटर उन्होंने सरेंडर किया है। ये पहली बार है जब भारत की फौजें वहां पर, भारत की आर्मी वहां खड़े होकर आमने सामने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे रही हैं। और अभी उनको ये भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि जो आर्मी कह रही है, उन पे आर्मी पे यकीन नहीं है। उनको यकीन है तो चाइना के मीडिया तंत्र पर, उनको यकीन होता है तो बीबीसी पे यकीन होता है। He doesn't believe in Indian army. He doesn't believe in Indian system. So he's an adolescent, 50-year-old adolescent who's being spoon-fed by foreign media or people who want him to be spoon-fed and then to say what they want him to say, and then they will quote him, misquote him, use him on various international forums, and it has been done earlier also. So he is basically a ploy in hands of the foreign agencies or foreign countries.
Absolutely, because he gets quoted by the Pakistani media or by Chinese themselves. Because RP Singh ji, if we talk about the current scenario, कितनी बार clarity दी जाए वो नाकाफी पड़ रही है when it comes to the Congress party itself. बाकी पार्टीज को देखा जाए वो सब प्रधानमंत्री के साथ खड़े हुए हैं, देश के साथ खड़े हुए हैं।
नहीं, कांग्रेस तो कभी भी देश के साथ नहीं खड़ी हुई। मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना जी, एस्केचन से लेकर राकी नाला तक क्या स्थिति रही है, कितने हजार किलोमीटर। मैं अगर आपको गिनाऊं, 2030 में राकी नाला इन्होंने सरेंडर किया। डैमजॉक का हमारा जो किला था वो वहां पर 2012 में सरेंडर किया। डूम्स चैली 2009 में सरेंडर किया। चापजी वैली 2008 में सरेंडर किया। पांगंग 2008 में फिर सरेंडर किया। मतलब लगातार, मैं मतलब 1962 में नहीं जा रहा, 63 में नहीं जा रहा। तो ये तो लगातार इनकी मानसिकता ये रही है और ये चाहते हैं कि यही हो वापस से। परंतु ये पहली बार है कि भारत की सेना ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आज खड़े होकर आमने सामने जवाब दिया है। अब हमने वहां पर सड़कें बनानी शुरू की हैं, वहां पर ब्रिजेस बनानी शुरू किए हैं। और ये कैसे, आपको क्या लगता है कैसे मान्य होगा चाइना को? वो तो कभी नहीं चाहते ऐसा भारत करे, पर क्योंकि ये जो लंच डिप्लोमेसी चलती है, जहाँ ये जो चाउमीन डिप्लोमेसी चलती है राहुल गांधी और गांधी परिवार की और वाड्रा परिवार की चाइना के साथ, ये उसके अंतर्गत बोलते हैं, उसके कारण से बोलते हैं। और ये बार बार विदेशी पत्रकारों को या विदेशी अखबारों को या ऐसे लोगों को कोट करते हैं जो देश विरोधी हैं।
जी, RP Singh ji, thank you sir for putting your point across. So multiple BJP